Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. In previous market update, when it was right here, I told you it can take a bounce and then it can drop. But unfortunately, market went against me. But before that, I already told you guys on my Telegram channel that we can see a bounce up and then we can see a drop. Market bounced. 22,500 got hit and then it dropped by almost 800 USD. But unfortunately, my previous update on YouTube went against somehow it went against us. But in today's market update, I would tell you what's the possible next move and what I am expecting from market. And unfortunately, we hit a stop loss in our VIP Discord where we traded BTC long, BTC short, but just hit our stop loss and we lost 0.3% non-leveraged, and with 20x this is just 6% loss. To recover that loss, we had already given a spot trade, OM BTC, which gave us 80% profit non-leveraged. So see guys how much these guys are trading and earning great profits with us. We bought OM from 196 sats and it hit 320 sats actually, and it gave us 80% non-leveraged profits. It's more than enough. We just lost 6% and we recovered 80% with OM non-leveraged in spot. And again we traded doc, which gave us also 7% non-leveraged profit. And then I predicted the perfect move on my VIP Discord when it was 21,124. I told them that it will bounce 20,500 and then it can take us a small drop. So this move was already predicted by me in my VIP Discord. So if you also want to join me on Discord, you can DM me on Telegram or Twitter. I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So let's start the video with BTC USD 4-hour time frame analysis. We will just analyze BTC on 4-hour today because here is something technical which all of you guys have to understand. We had an order block here which was not filled 100% by price. That's why price moved upside and it filled this order block which was not filled in past. So this order block got filled by 100, almost 100% this time, and you can see formation of a potential double bottom right here. So what's happening right now? We can see there are two unmedicated order blocks for now. One is right here and the other is right here. And there are tons of liquidity in this chart. Where are those zones? First of all, this is the neckline of this double bottom pattern, and those traders who went long on the first test, price liquidated those trend line or the chart pattern traders by this week. Those already got liquidated, and now some retailers would consider this area as area of resistance. So what would they do? They would open short position from here, or maybe from here, or maybe from here. Means there are a lot of positions currently in market, or those who are trading this area as resistance, those retailers. So and those, there are two types of traders right now in market. First of all, those traders who are considering this area to be as resistance and they are shorting the market, and those traders who are considering the chart pattern, which is the double bottom pattern, and they are trading it as a bullish pattern and they are trying to long the market right from now. So what I'm expecting, uh, market can go down. Why? To liquidate those traders who are again going long in BTC or in market. So market can go down first and test this unmedicated order block right here, or maybe it fill this order block which is obviously below the unmedicated order block. So the price can go down and fill this unmedicated order block, and what will happen here? Why will price come down? Because we have area of inefficiency which is in form of imbalance below this current price. So those traders who are trying to long from BTC now would be obviously liquidated and will be kicked out from market when price hits my first zone. And those traders who short from this area of resistance would be quite happy with their profits, but we can see a possible reversal either from this zone. Why? To liquidate those traders who are going short from here, or we might see a drop towards 19,500, or then we will see a potential bounce from this zone. But the core idea is I'm expecting a move down. Why? To liquidate these double bottom traders first, then after that I'm expecting a small bounce from here or maybe from here. Why? To liquidate those traders who are short from here, and then we can see a possible bounce in price. So guys, this was today's market update video. Nothing is special or nothing is clear till now, so we have to wait for the zones. Currently there are two zones for BTC. If I tell you deep thoughts or my deep thoughts on market, if I want to trade this current market, I would wait either for this zone or either for this zone. If analysis went against me, if market went again against me, so how will that happen? If we break this high, which if we break this high, then I will consider this order block, not this, not this. If price breaks this high, like this price went up, broke this high, then I will wait for price to medicate into my this newly born order block, which will be unmedicated. I would wait for this order block, and then I will trade this order block. But that's really, I don't think so it's gonna be happen right now, because I'm expecting a move down, because this bounce looks scam to me. So guys, this was today's market update video. Hope so it's clear for you guys that what I'm expecting from current market, it does not mean that what I'm expecting should be 100% accurate. So please don't blindly trust my analysis. I just explain the market as I think the composite man and the institutions move it to make their own profit and kick you out from the market. So guys, this was today's market update video, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.